Good afternoon, everyone. Respected President, sir, all my faculty members, and all the paramedical and nursing staff and the students are present here. A very warm good afternoon to everyone. As today we are celebrating World Health Day, I would like to address one big major issue in front of all of you. Back in our times, let me tell you one basic truth. Back in our times, degree hai, matlab sab kuch hai. Fortunately, we were the last batch who can walk away with a degree. But times are changing very, very quickly. Like sir is focusing heavily on AI, let me tell you this thing that now degrees no more can guarantee you a secure future. You need to develop skills and integrate in your work life. Whether you are a healthcare practitioner, whether you are a nurse, whether you are a doctor, or you are involved in any field, be it myself also, in teaching also. AI, and especially the thing which is right in front of me, it is a machine. There is something called machine learning also. If there are some older students present here, they have often seen me with a laptop, most of the time. Even I am also training my laptop, my machine, to optimize those things. So skills are the new future. And AI, take this with a pinch of salt, it's going to replace a lot of things, okay? So you need to be attentive towards these things. You do not need to fear this, but integrate in your profession, okay? That's what I would like to say. Thank you.